Good morning, class family. It's a thankful Thursday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. January 30th, 2025. Dear class family, today is Thursday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Next, we will do literacy centers. Then, we will introduce and read a story. After that, we will learn about the letter H and blending phonemes. Last, we will reread a text. It is a great day, love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Okay, readers, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with the date. I noticed the month is spelled with a capital letter J, then A, and period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said January, you're right. Great job. Notice the capital letter J to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, let's continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. January 30th, 2025. Dear class family, today is Thursday. It is Thursday, and it's a thankful Thursday. Notice the capital letter T that starts that sentence and the period at the end. Remember, good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. Let's review some punctuation marks at this time. Are you ready, readers? Okay, say it in Skywrite. Period. At the end of telling sentences, statements, and abbreviations. Exclamation point, also called an exclamation mark. That's at the end of a sentence that shows strong feeling. Question mark at the end of a question sentence. And comma. Good writers know where to use a comma within their writing, whether it's after the number for the date, after the greeting, after transitional words and phrases, after our closing love, in addition to listing more than a few things and including that sight word and. Okay, we're going to go ahead and look at this sentence. Are you ready, readers? We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every day, working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. We're practicing being a strong listener in kindergarten. Remember, a strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening. Their mouth is silent when someone else is speaking, and body is still and in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? All right, class family. At this time, we're going to review the transitional words and phrases that good writers use to sequence what they're doing. Let's go ahead and read these words. The order of events. Are you ready? First, next, then. After that, last. First, we will learn letters and sounds. We'll use so many resources. Shout out to Benchmark Advance. We'll be using your alphabet chart to review letters, sounds, pictures to match that letter, and American Sign Language. We have YouTube channels that we use to help move our bodies and pump our brains with knowledge as well. Next, we'll do literacy centers. We'll log on our iPad to pass more units for Lexia Core 5 reading program. We'll meet with teachers and groups. We will be reviewing the letter H, and we'll be reading books and sharing our thinking. Oh, and then we will introduce and read a story. Oh, we will. And the story is The Three Billy Goats Gruff. Oh, what a fantastic story. We're going to go ahead and introduce and read this story. We'll use the pictures and the words to help us. We'll use our big book from Benchmark Advance. We'll also use the electronic version on the screen to help us with guiding our eyes for the reread so we can see how it's highlighted. After that, we'll learn about the letter H and blending phonemes. We will. And you know what? We're going to go ahead and work on the letter H, like H, horse, and hat. We'll be writing the letter H, tracing the dotted letter H's for uppercase and lowercase, as well as writing independently. We'll practice phonemic awareness, tapping that beginning, middle, and end, and saying that whole word. And remember, we can blend those words together, and we'll be working on that, as well as phoneme categorization. So, be saying some words, and you need to think, which word does not have the H sound at the beginning and which words do? And we'll be categorizing those words according to their initial sound. And last, we will reread a text. We're going to be rereading a text, and the one that we're going to be rereading today is Wolf Cub's Song. So we'll be going ahead and rereading that text, asking and answering questions, sharing our thinking, and using text evidence to help with our answers. It is a great day, Love Miss Joyner. It is. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. So our question for today is a do you like question. And the question is, do you like Mr. Potato Head? Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator and share a reason why. Do you like Mr. Potato Head?